Hello everyone. So you know the drill. We're gonna do the next question for March. And so this is the next question. Day 2 of March. You have to move one finger at a time to the character, and then the distance between the character and the next is your distance, and then you have to add them all up. I see. So this one is starts at 0. So so this one is 4 because start at 0, they go to you try to get to C, which is 2, and then you try to get to B. From C to B is 1, and then you try to get to A. From B to A is 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. And you can have a different keyboard right here, and it should still follow the same rules. So I think if we just establish the rules, this is a pretty easy problem. So what do we know is true? We know that we start at index 0, so previous 0, and we know we're going to need a total counter. Okay, and then what we want is for each character in the word, what we really are looking for is something like total plus new minus previous. We need to define what new means, and then we need to move that previous into the new. New should be defined as new equals index of the new character. So index of the new character, so let's say the first one is C. I need to make that value 2. But you could have 2 refer to a keyboard where it's R. So we're gonna need to match it up with a map. So let's say keyboard map here for C in keyboard. We're just gonna say key. Well, actually, I'm just gonna do I. Enumerate, and then keyboard map C is equal to I. That will allow me to get the index of new when I get here, and then at the end of this I should get a total. Return total. I think that's it. Runtime error. Indices must be integers. Oh, keyboard map. Local total. There's no such thing as total. It's total. Total. So why is it 0? Oh, yeah. I think what's gonna happen here is that you're gonna add and then subtract, because if you go from C to B, that's actually a -1. You don't want that. What I mean is, something like this. Yeah, so you get 2, -1, so it is 0, but you don't want that. You want the absolute distance. So, yep. So, that's a pretty easy problem. Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, so that would be how you would solve that one. Let's see. Yep.